I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a creamy and refreshing fruit delight, a perfect dessert for any occasion. Custard desserts have been enjoyed since the Middle Ages in Europe. This dessert is a great way to seasonal fruits and customize flavors. First, making the custard base. Heat half cup milk in a pan and let it boil. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons cold milk with 1 teaspoon custard powder until smooth. Pour the custard mixture into the boiling milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook for 2 minutes until it thickens, then let it cool completely. Stir continuously while cooking the custard to avoid lumps. In a bowl, take half cup whipping cream and 3 tablespoons condensed milk. For a healthier version, replace condensed milk with honey or natural sweeteners. Adding whipped cream make it extra rich and creamy compared to traditional custard. Beat until the cream reaches a medium stiff consistency. Use chilled whipping cream for the best fluffy texture. Add the cool custard mixture and mix gently. Let the custard cool completely before mixing with cream to prevent curdling. Now adding fruits. Add 1/4 cup of apple, 3 tablespoons green grapes, some black grapes, red grapes, 3 tablespoons strawberries, some bananas, 2 tablespoons orange, and some pomegranate. Mix the fruit into the custard cream mixture. Fruits like strawberries, oranges, and grapes provide vitamin C to boost immunity. Bananas and pomegranate are fiber-rich, aiding digestion. Pour the mixture into a serving dish. Garnish with some extra fruits on top. The combination of fruits and custard makes this dessert refreshing and light. Chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving. If you love light and creamy dessert, hit the like button. What's your favorite fruit to add to custard? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.